Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery and service cover. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the hard disk drive ZIF connector and disconnect the hard disk drive ribbon cable from the system board. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Remove the hard disk drive ribbon cable from the cutout in the base enclosure. Lift the hard disk drive assembly out of its cradle on the base enclosure. Place the hard disk drive assembly in a static dissipative bag. Replacement. Remove the hard disk drive assembly from the static dissipative bag. Place the hard disk drive assembly into its cradle on the base enclosure. Guide the hard disk drive ribbon cable through the cutout in the base enclosure. Insert the hard disk drive ribbon cable into the hard disk drive ZIF connector on the system board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable.